WOLF, a stock analysis. This is for Monday and onwards, 5th of May. Am I buying? Am I not? Which is very short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. Having invested well over tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors in 5 years to this craft, and finally figured out what's actually making me money. First thing on the list with Wolf is going to be that we were just milking this thing up, you know, just recently managed to cut a very beautiful buy, and that was a great catch. I mean, here we go, you got caught, very good. It was made like 4 days back. And generally speaking, in a situation like this, I'm still very, very open-minded to still doubling down on this beautiful bullish market in a way where if it does pull down and shows me some sort of shift and a double break, then and only then I'm going to look to take it further up. If not, it's all good. Like, the last thing that I'm looking to do is randomly get involved. So I'm just saying, that's my 2 cents on Wolf. If you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.